Hi you guys, we're back with another video. I'm the owner of EgiptEgyptianne collection, and we're back with how to make a cute shirt. So today I just thought I'd make another Chanel shirt. I think I have like one Chanel tank top, but I thought it would be cute to make a Chanel shirt. And I want to say the Cricut was saying my printer is going to make this poor quality. Well, it's some good quality. They better stop playing. So, I think I have Instagram sitting up here. So, we're going to get started. I set this into center, so it is centered. And if y'all want rulers like this, you can buy these rulers off of Amazon. They're really good. This is the adult ruler, and I kind of use it the most for centering my stuff because I don't want it not to be centered. So I'm gonna take this heat all the way on, flatten it to the point where y'all see my mat. That's what we're gonna do. It up. Like I said, I want this to be centered. Trying to match it the best way I can with the tag. And I'm gonna find something to lay it down on. Alright. And we about to get the pressing, huh? We got to press this shirt. Look at me struggling. Okay. That's gonna bother me. Okay. Alright. And we're gonna press this for 15 seconds. Okay. And we're making a cute shirt. I'm on Instagram. We're making a cute shirt. Just to wear, you know. Just an easy, simple, cute shirt to wear. And boom. That's very simple. It is in there. And so, you want to turn this to the back. Y'all, recording on one hand is not it. It's not it. You want to flip over to the back. You want to do the same in the back to make sure that it's really there. Okay. Oh. Alright. And there you have it. And we're gonna... There you have it, you guys. Quick, simple, easy. Okay. I want it center, more center, because I like when it's covering. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, you guys, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.